I'm Bianca.
And I'm Grant.
And this is the Lake House Project.
Hey everyone, I'm really excited for today's episode because we're going to take this old, dilapidated, creaky spiral staircase and turn it into this beautifully designed modern staircase with steel cable railings. Stay tuned to see how we did it. So as you can probably hear, and as I said earlier, the staircase is quite creaky. It's been here for about 40 years and definitely needs to be replaced. It goes all the way from the second floor down to the basement and takes up a ton of floor space. So we want to replace it with a modern staircase that's open rise and turn it into a focal feature of the home. So sit back, relax, grab some popcorn, and enjoy.
Weeks.
Finally, it was stair install day. As you saw, I was in charge of all of the pre-structural work and getting things ready to go, but we did hire a company to actually build, manufacture, and then install the staircase and railings. We went with hickory treads that are about 2.5 inches thick, and then we went with poplar stringers, as these will be painted black and we didn't need such nice wood on the sides. And here you can see them lifting up the staircase into position. They decided to pre-assemble it, and with a little bit of manpower, they were able to get it into position. And after 2 months of climbing ladders, we were able to finally walk up a staircase. After the staircase to the second floor was installed, it was on to installing the staircase to the basement. After both staircases were installed, they then installed the newel post for the railing, and we will be doing a steel cable. As you can see, there's some pieces there already in place, and these are also made of hickory, and I really like the way that these look. They're nice and sturdy and strong and thick. They're about 3.5 by 3.5 inches. And I really like the way that they handled these 45-degree angles with the newel posts. I really like this shape, and I think it looks really, really clean. The following day, they installed the steel cable, and again, this just really ties the whole thing together, and I think it really goes with our modern industrial look that we're going for with this renovation. So before I show you the final result, let's take one more look at where we started. Look at all those kitchen cabinets and that hallway and the whole staircase that we were able to demolish. And look at it now. I'm so happy with the way this turned out. We painted those stringers black and put a nice lacquer on all the hickory pieces. And so here's a nice little slideshow of a bunch of nice shots of the staircase. If you have any questions about this process, please leave them in the comments below and I'd be happy to answer them. And if you made it this far into the video, you're a true fan, and I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. And if you could, please give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already. We post a new DIY video specifically about this lake house every single Saturday, so stay tuned for more updates as we got a lot more coming your way. And leave a comment down below of your favorite part of the process or what you would have done differently. And if you can't get enough of this DIY content, we also have a TikTok and Instagram at Golden Key Design for more real-time updates. And stay tuned next week as we finally start the Durock install in preparation for the tile floor that's coming in that you may have seen a sneak peek in this video. And as always, thanks for watching and happy building. See you next week.